Well, hello guys. How's everybody doing? I thought I was recording a while ago, but I was taking pictures. Anyway, I was just talking about what you guys all missed it. I got a bunch of these things. They're sheet aluminum. They got GE written on them, some kind of thing. But anyway, you take it off, take the cover off of it, and you get left with, there's your sheet aluminum cover. And I'll throw that in my bucket. But you get left with this little circuit board. I don't know if you can see that or not, but here, hold on. Yeah, that's a little circuit board. It's got a crystal oscillator and a TO92 transistor on it, which are worth them little black things. TO92 transistor or whatever the hell they call it. I can't remember. Been so long since I messed with them. They got solid gold bond wires inside of them, but I just been letting them stack up, along with the IC chips and just random stuff. I don't know. I ain't been doing a whole lot, guys. I just think it felt good. I just wanted to see if anybody would, just try to keep me in your prayers, if at all possible. If you pray for me, because there's a lot of stuff going on right now with me, trying to get set up to, get a surgery on my neck and all that stuff. Plus, I've got other crap going on, and gosh bless it, I don't really want to talk about it, but for the last week, when I go to the bathroom, I've been passing nothing but just pure blood. So I gotta get in and get checked out. Get that checked out too. There's a lot of gold on that board, look, flashing. Anyway, we ain't here for that. I'm just sorting stuff. Sorting through aluminum and copper. But anyway, like I said, just, if you will, keep me in your prayers, because this is a little bit of a scary situation, guys. I don't like to come on here and, talk about that kind of stuff, but, I don't have a lot of friends. So what I'm saying there is, you're all you guys are basically all I got, other than, my biological family, and, a few friends outside of, work. Yeah, I'm just, like I said, I'm out here sorting aluminum and brass. I might take that little thing there apart here in a minute. I don't know if it will or not, but who knows? We might. It all depends on how I feel when I get to that point. Dang, there's a lot of brass in here. Brass goodness. Got a bucket of shells somewhere. I better pack them up. Okay, we'll just start another bucket. Anyway, I found another bucket. Oh, mercy. Yeah. Other than that little bit of scary situation. You know, I'm doing good, guys. I'm getting things together slowly but surely. I mean, one day at a time. And you can't expect Rome to be built overnight. You know, brassy brass. But you know, it is what it is. You know, it helps. I don't really like talking about my health and all that other stuff, but hey, like I said, you guys are here with me, so why not keep you involved? Why not keep you involved? Let you know what is going on with everything, instead of keeping you in the dark. You know. But anyway, I'm still here. I'm still kicking. Not very high, but I'm kicking. But we're gonna see if we can't make it through this. Keep our heads held high and get on through another day. I want everybody to know, whether you comment on my post or not. If you not, I know you watch, some of you do. You know, I really appreciate you guys. And if it wasn't for you guys, this channel wouldn't be here. You know, I mean, there's a lot of good people that I've met in this channel so far. I'm sure there's a whole lot more to be out there to come and visit, and we'll meet them too. I don't plan on going anywhere, but you know, tomorrow's not promised, especially in these kind of situations. You know, what I'm going through right now is not something that's to be played with. I've not went to the doctor yet, but I can't afford to take off work because I got all this other stuff going on too. Anyway, like I said, we're gonna get there, and we're gonna find out exactly what's going on, because it's not cool to see what I've been seeing the last week, staying weak all the time, and just, you know, not good, guys. Not good at all. I don't like this. I'm trying to get out of that negative thought set. You know, I've had a lot of people tell me, you know, Adam, you're negative. You're too negative. Think positive. Look at all the good that's fell upon you. Well, it's hard to think positive whenever you got so much negativity around you that's going on. So that's where I was at. You know, and I was stuck there. Well, I don't want to be stuck there anymore. I want to get the hell out of it and look up and think about me for a change. I don't know what this thing is. Some kind of battery charger for something. Whew. Let's see if we can get her apart. I got so much junk in here right now. Let's see if I can find something to fit this. Just about all the tools I got with me. It's all packed up, but I got my trusty little Timu kit. And we're gonna make good with it. I hope. I I got a few other tools here too, but it's not a lot. Oh, everything. I packed 90% of my tools up and took them to the other property. That's where I was working on things at. Which it's trying to get along out there too. But try the other hand. I ain't left-handed, but sometimes you gotta adapt until you get things loosened up. But, let's see what we got here in this thing. I know it's something I've never tore apart before. It's a battery charger to something. I have to read on the front of it here in a second, if I can. Alright, it's 30-minute flash charger. THM Tyco RC car. I'll be down. Now that right there, I sure don't know where it come from. There's the batteries. Wow, that's crazy as hell. They fold up. What in the crap? I'm sure them things are dead. Phew. My goodness. I can't even break them. I'll throw them in a box back there to make sure they're disposed of the right way. There's some more trash. Anywho, don't know. Find a screwdriver bit. Oh, damn. Maybe that won't work. Let's see. There ain't gonna be much in this old thing. I don't even see. There's some epoxy dip something right there. Resistors. There ain't much of nothing in it. I don't know what them dials are for. Dials that don't turn. Okay. I got the right bit. Hell no. Hell no. Let's see. Let's see. Anyway. Everything's going alright. You know. I'm still not really back to scrapping yet. I gotta worry about getting my neck taken care of. Get this pinched nerve in my neck fixed. Hopefully by the end of November I'll have it. If not, then maybe the next month, December. Alright. There's some shit here. I'm gonna get some old wire off here. Number 2. What the hell? Damn roach egg fell out there. Who? I don't want no roaches. What? That thing's nothing in it. I ain't gonna take that board off there. It ain't got nothing on it. Literally nothing. Nothing on the back either. And all that there is plastic, except for these right here. Shit, and they're brass. So them are my brass bucket. All your plugs, 90% of them are brass. Sometimes you'll find some that are stainless, sometimes you'll find some that are aluminum. But other than that, ain't nothing to brag about on here. A little bit of aluminum right there. That thing's got a nut on the other side of it. How the heck? There we go. Oh, my goodness. a lot of, on these heat sinks, I guess, a lot of people call these things MOSFETs. When actually, these right here are not MOSFETs. I can't remember what they are, but they are a different kind of transistor, transceiver, or transistor. Shoot, I can't hardly hold on to it. I think transistor or resistor, I can't remember. But from what I'm hearing, you know, which that plate, that silver plate right there is copper. But I'm thinking that I was told that these have a gold bond wire in them. I don't remember. So before I feed you a line of bull crap, I'll regroup and find out myself. I ain't gonna worry about these little boards and stuff right now. I got a bucket full of them. Anyway, yeah, that's all that. But I've been tearing down breakers and stuff like that, and I got another process that I'm gonna try to help me get these darn things apart, because they're a SOB. That is Bakelite, and it's hard as a brick. I mean, literally. You can beat the heck out of that stuff, and it just bounces back at you. But I'm sure you can hit it with hard enough with a hammer, and you can get it to bust. But I'm getting ready to figure out a process on heating these things to get them to soften up some. And you got all this epoxy and all that stuff in the holes where the screws are and all that stuff. But I'm just going to try to maybe stick them in my wood stove or whatever and just heat them, not on top of the fire, but I don't want them to catch them on fire. But to set them off to the side and heat them. And maybe we can work on that on another video. But like I said, I got a lot of crap going on here at the moment, and we ain't trying to think about all that crap. So let me turn this phone around, and I told some of you guys that I had sold my four-wheeler that I had. Well, I sold the four-wheeler and put a little money with what I made off my four-wheeler and bought me a new toy. I gotta have a permit, but here we are. It's a 2019 Honda Grom, and boy, I tell you what, she is nice. Give me just a second, and I'll fire it up real quick. Now you'd think it would be loud, but it ain't. But whew. There she is. She got blinkers, she's ready for the road. But I've got to get a damn motorcycle permit, unfortunately. She's good to go. Oh, I've been riding it, I ain't gonna lie. Guys, them things right there. The only thing that sucks about one of them is you gotta have, you know, basically carry a backpack, because I mean, you ain't got nowhere to carry nothing on it. But anywho, I guess, I don't know if I showed you the shop or not. That's my baby right there. Anyway, I was getting the shop cleaned up, taking everything to the other property where I can go out there and work peacefully. Got a bunch of motors and stuff like that sitting out there waiting for me. But most of my tools are packed up. Here's my toolbox. It's 90% empty. I gotta get it out there. But I'm working on it. Big coil of copper on the floor right there. Some of that stuff. I was working on my silver processing and stuff. I gotta take the pH down in that and get it to where I can dump it. You know, legitly. I don't want to screw nothing up in the world. It's already screwed up enough. Anyway, I don't have really nothing out here that I can tear down for you guys other than that motor, but I ain't got a grinder here with me. Anyway, that's a short video, but anyway, that's good. But love you guys. Keep me in your prayers, please. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.